Hey guys, how to remove it. Okay, so you are going to spin it like so. Okay, all you have to do is spin this till you find the hole. Okay, you see that hole? Okay, and I just got a small little screwdriver, right? Just put it in there, okay? And that locks this in place. So, I already previously took it off. So it's righty-loosey, so you see how I'm removing it? Righty-loosey. And you take off like the little washer. Okay, so it sits just like that. And that prevents this assembly from turning, right? So let's say the washer I just took off and the nut is still on here. It's pushing pressure against this and it's not going anywhere, right? So I'm putting it back on so it's actually lefty tighty. You see that? Lefty tighty. And then righty loosey. And that's how it comes off. See? And it comes off. It's lefty tighty. Okay? And that's how you take off the blade. And I used a .17mm socket, 6-point. Okay, so you just place it in there, put the flat head in place, and righty, excuse me, because right now I'm trying to tighten it. So remember, it's just opposite. Lefty tighten, righty loosen. Okay, lefty tighten, righty loosen. All right, guys, that's for a Echo Edger-225. Okay, guys. Thanks.